Hello students, let us solve the problem of bill of exchange of how to find the date on which bill is drawn. So I'll read the problem. A bill of exchange of rupees 50,000 was drawn for the period of 5 months and was discounted by a bank at 5% per annum for rupees 49,500 on July 6, 2013. Find the date on which bill is drawn. Now we are asked to find the date on which bill is drawn, and they have given when the bill was discounted. It was discounted on July 6, 2013. Rate of interest is given as 5% per annum. They have given the face value and the discounted value. So from these two values we can easily calculate what is banker's discount. We know the formula BD equals to S minus discounted value. We know BD equals to S minus discounted value. So BD equals to S is your face value, that is rupees bill of exchange of rupees 50,000. So S value is rupees 50,000 minus the bill was discounted by a bank at 5% for rupees 49,500. So this becomes your discounted value. So discounted value is 49,500. So subtracting 49,500 from 50,000, we get BD as rupees 500. Okay, and one more formula we know, BD is S into R into T. BD is 500 is equals to S is 50,000 into rate of interest is 5 by 100, 5% per annum is given. So rate of interest is 5 by 100 into time period we don't know. So let us calculate this. So 25 00 500. So this implies T as 500 upon 2500. So 500 upon 2500, 500 upon 2500, we get 5 5 so 1 by 5. So we get T as 1 by 5, that is time period we get 73 days. How? 1 by 5 into 365, we get T as 73 days. Now once we get T as 73 days, the next thing we need to calculate is the due date of the bill. Now here in this problem you are asked to find the date on which bill is drawn, and you are having what is the date on which bill was discounted. So let us add these 73 days plus date of discount. You will get due date of the bill. So let us write down due date of the bill. Due date of the bill. Due date of the bill is equal to date of discount. Date of discount plus 73 days of grace, plus this 73 days what we got. Okay, due date of the bill is nothing but date of discount plus this 73 days. That is 73 days after when the bill was discounted. The bill was discounted by a bank on July 6. So 73 days after July 6. 73 days after July 6. So let us calculate 73 days after July 6. So let us list July has 31 days minus 6 comes to 25 plus August plus September. So this 25 plus August 31, 25 plus 31, we need more 17 days, so that the total will become 73 days. So this 25 plus 31 plus 17 becomes your 73 days. So due date of the bill becomes 17 September. So due date of the bill becomes 17 September. And the bill was drawn for the period of 5 months. So from 17 September, you have to go back 5 months and 3 days of grace. You will get the date on which bill is drawn. So to find the date on which bill is drawn, let us write date of the bill equals to 5 months and 3 days of grace before 17 September. So how to find the date on bill is drawn? 5 months and 3 days of grace before 17 September. So from 17 September you have to come back 5 months. 17 September to 17 August, 17 July, 17 June, 17 May, 17 April minus 3 days of grace. That comes to 14th April. So date of the bill is nothing but 14th April. Here is 14th April 2013. So this is a way how to calculate the date on which bill is drawn.